Have you ever imagined blending the reliability of a Nissan vehicle with the freedom of a motorhome? Well, Nissan has actually made that dream a reality with several compact and cleverly designed motorhomes over the years. While Nissan isn't the first name that comes to mind when you think of RVs, they've been quietly producing some incredibly functional camper vans, particularly in Japan and select international markets. One of the most popular platforms for Nissan-based motorhomes is the Nissan Caravan or NV350. This van has been a favorite among DIY builders and small motorhome manufacturers because of its dependable drivetrain, spacious interior, and straightforward mechanics. But Nissan didn't stop there. They've also collaborated with third-party RV manufacturers to offer complete, ready-to-drive motorhomes directly through dealerships in Japan. Let's take a closer look at one example, the Nissan NV350 Caravan Myram. It's a factory-offered camper that features a full pop-top roof for standing height, a convertible bed and sofa system, a small kitchenette with a sink and induction stove, and even a house battery system for off-grid power. Despite its compact size, the interior is designed to maximize every inch of space, offering enough room for two adults to sleep comfortably and even some storage space for weekend gear. What makes these Nissan-based motorhomes so appealing is their efficiency and maneuverability. Compared to the massive RVs you see on North American roads, Nissan's offerings are compact and fuel-efficient, perfect for narrow city streets, remote camping spots, or daily driving. You can take it to a grocery store, park it in a regular space, and still have your tiny home with you wherever you go. Another standout model is the Nissan Serena Pop-Top Camper. Based on the Serena minivan, this conversion is ideal for small families or couples who want versatility without going full-size. It's equipped with a fold-out bed, cooking area, and storage cabinets, all neatly integrated into the back of the van. The pop-up roof adds standing room and extra ventilation, turning a practical minivan into a true micro-RV. Nissan also ventured into electric campervan concepts, like the ENV200 camper. Built on the electric version of the NV200 platform, this zero-emissions camper includes solar panels, battery storage, and a compact interior layout designed for sustainable travel. While this model isn't widely available, it points toward an interesting future where eco-friendly camping could become more mainstream. Now, if you're looking to buy a Nissan motorhome outside of Japan, you might run into a few challenges. Most of these models are made for the Japanese domestic market and are right-hand drive. That said, a growing number of enthusiasts are importing them to places like the UK, Australia, and even North America. Thanks to their smaller size and cult following, they're becoming increasingly popular among people looking for something a little different from the usual Sprinter van conversion. Whether you're interested in a turnkey camper or a blank canvas to build your own, Nissan platforms offer an excellent balance of reliability, compactness, and efficiency. Plus, with diesel and hybrid options available in some regions, you can even choose how you want to power your travels. So if you're in the market for a motorhome that's easy to drive, well-designed, and a bit under the radar, a Nissan camper might be exactly what you're looking for. It's a smart alternative to bulkier RVs, offering just enough comfort and functionality to keep your adventures flexible, affordable, and fun.